experts expert we'll see later. Link text we will see. Okay, suppose link text. Okay, this is there about advertising, business, home search. These are our footer, some link, four links in the footer, privacy, terms, settings, right? And sometimes even those kind of links will be present in your header as well on your website. So how you can locate them and how you can do the action on that. Suppose I want to click on about. So what you has to do, you can have to click on this and click on about. You will see this is an anchor tag and this text is having the about. Okay, so how you can locate it? You don't want to locate it with the help of a class, because if you will see the class phioh, and for advertising also it is the same, for business also it is the same, so you will not be able to locate it, right? So how you can locate this particular about here? There it is not having id, it is not having name or as well, and class is same for others as well. So how you can locate the about? So here you can use the link text here for this about. So I don't want to do this in case here, and I want to click on the about. So what you can do, so I want to find the element by dot. So there is another way you can use the link text here. But in the link text you have to give the same value, whatever is there. About is there, I think. Let's see once. Yes, about. So this is, we have located the about now. You want to perform the action. So what action you want to perform? Click action if you want to perform. So for that you have to use the dot click. Dot click is the method if you want to perform a click action on any element. It does not matter you are clicking on a button or a link or any image or any checkbox or radio button. So for everything you have to use the dot click method, because we are performing a click action. So you have to use a dot click method for that. Let's try to run it. So you can see it has clicked on the about and it has opened a about page for me. So this is how you can use the link text to locating any particular link with the help of a link text locator. And in case suppose there are multiple links and some similar kind of a links is there, only some few differences there between them. So in that case you can use the partial link text as well. So whatever the value you will give in the okay, yeah, so for the partial link text I was explaining about the ABO, like instead of the complete text about, we can give the partial about the some text only from the complete link. And let's try to run it. So you have to use the partial link text here, not the link text.
Are you sharing the screen? We can't able to see your screen.
Okay, just let me see it again. Let me know if you are able to see it. Able to see my screen now?
Yes, sir. Now we can.
Okay. Yeah, so here if you will see, you can see earlier I was using the link text here as a locator, but if I want to use the partial link text locator, so in place of about, simply I can use the ABO, not the complete text. So the partial text only I can use to locate that. If there is similar kind of a links are there, and you want to locate the particular link, so in that case you can use the partial link text as well. So here you can see I have used the partial and it is throwing about. Okay. Any doubt in that? You can use this links and partial link text. Okay, so this is done, and let's see some other example for tag name. Okay, so the tag name is used if you want to locate the similar kind of objects, all the objects. So in that case, you can use the tag name. So like on my this google.com website, I want to locate all the text, all the links, like about advertising, business, how search works, right? So all the links, and it is having the a tag. So you can use driver dot find elements. Here you have to use the find elements because you want to locate more than one, and you can use the same locators here also will be there, name, class, id, xpath, right? So you can use the tag name. So the tag name, what is the tag? A is the tag, okay, and A is the tag is there, you can use, and it will return you all the links, all the web elements, because it will return you the list of the web elements. So suppose okay, let me store in a list, and you can use in, you can store in the web. This is a web element. This is a list of web element, and here you can write down elements. This is a variable name we are defining, and this web element we have to import from Selenium, and this list we have to import from util package in Java. Once we have got it, and now I want to get all the links, whatever all the links are there. So for that you can use a for loop, so that I will explain in Java as well about this for loop, and this is related to the web element. So you can use like this, and this is elements, copy this. So we are getting one by one, and here you can use system dot out dot println, and inside this println you can use element dot get text. So get text is the method you can get the value of that particular link or any locator. If you suppose located any element and this is some text value is there, and if you want to get that particular value, so in that case you can use the dot get text method. So let's try to run this. This is some for each loop is there that I have applied. If you click on about, I have to comment it. Hello. I don't know.
Yes.
Some connection is coming and going, not sure. Okay, so it was having Gmail and images. Let me just comment this line. You will see on the Google homepage how many anchor tags are there, and we will try to display the values for all the links here. So this is how you can locate all the tags in that. Connection is interrupted. Let me try to run it. लाइट को क्या हो रहा है ये? Hello. So you can see,
Now I can see that.
you can see my screen also, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, so you can see it is printing all the anchor links there. So it is on my page. So this is how you can get all the links from your page by using the tag name there.